At least there is some justice out there. Two foreign nationals have been hit with a combined fines of more than 400,000 rands for transporting illicit cigarettes worth 180,000 rands following their arrest during a police chase in Limpopo. So yeah, this is good news because usually these kind of criminals get away with this kind of crimes, and once they get away, they jump the border and go to their country. So when it comes to illegal immigrants that are criminals, it's like two ways, right? Twofold. Because the first thing is that when they do crimes, police are actually looking for them. Like police will be actively looking for the people who did that certain crime, so you know that these people will get arrested eventually, unlike maybe illegal immigrants that are like minding their own business and even hiding from the police, and they're not in the system anywhere, no fingerprint, nothing. But obviously the bad thing about these kind of criminals is that recently, not recently, like I think in June or May, there was a police officer that was unalived in Rodiport, right? And the criminal was a Zimbabwean immigrant. And to this day, they haven't found the guy. Like, to this day. And you know what's the crazy thing is that even the mayor of Tshwane, Dr. Nandipha, has had these situations whereby when they arrest a person, in fact, she said that there's this criminal that they were arresting for the fourth time. Like, so it means this illegal immigrant, they arrest them, get deported, they come back again, get arrested. So, man, it's a cycle, and it's very hard to solve because even in their country, there's nothing that they will do to them. Like, they are citizens and they didn't do the crime in that country. So in South Africa, it's a battle with illegal immigrants because they come in, do the crime, you arrest them, you deport them. So that's why now there's a problem that even the jails in South Africa, most criminals that are overflowing in the jails in South Africa are illegal immigrants. It has come to that because now the government has realized that you cannot even deport these people. They need to remain and serve their whole sentence in South Africa. So, yeah, man, illegal immigration is a huge problem.